Okay, this is at 260 Twin Creeks Drive, Seneca. No, don't jump. Please don't jump. Okay. This is the view. The pond right there, this edge of it is the property line. It's not part of this property. But that is the property line, and it goes back into the woods up here quite a ways. But there's quite a bit of property here that's cleared. So, and I wouldn't see a problem for having horses here. All right, the outside is all vinyl. I don't see anything that throws up any red flags right away. At least I think it's vinyl. Handrail needs a little bit of painting. Now, yeah, it is vinyl. Now there is this right here, this railing. There is no railing here. That I see as a safety concern, just because you're a good 6-7 feet off the ground here, and that's going to limit their potential buyers. Uh-oh, watch out, boys, girls. Oh. Okay. This is, I'm not sure what this is made out of. I just know it's hollow inside. Pups have been doing a little bit of digging around there, under there. This all looks good. I don't see any damage. Just used a good pressure washing. Got 2 units. Some information plate on that one. This is from the side yard also. If there was any info on this one, I don't know where it would be. There's no plate there. Anyway, that's why we would have a home inspection. Again, the roof appears to be in good shape here. Could just use a good pressure washing. I will say this, that one of my concerns, just me personally, is you see where that vent is right at ground level. That one's close to it, that one's close to it, that one's a little bit up. But what I'm concerned about is all the water rushing off of this hill here and into that. We would want to make sure that they had some kind of a French drain, but there is a solution for this, that you can put what they call a well, and it's a half circle shaped piece of corrugated metal that will go down in the ground next to the foundation to cover those. That is a solution for that. So that will keep your water moisture levels down in your crawl space. Oh. Okay, and you got this again. Again, just a good pressure washing on the outside here. Nothing glaring standing out to me. Kind of skittish the fact that they don't have any handrails, but there's a little bit of rot. Well, Well, yeah, that's a little soft there, but it's because they don't have anything to cover the rain coming down, hitting off of this and hitting that. They do have it treated though for termites. That's what that is. It's a bait station, so they have get down. So they do have it treated for termites. Okay. Let's go in. Okay. Standard, well, they call this a two-car garage on paper, but realistically you can see, and once you get one car in here and you use this for any kind of storage whatsoever, it's really not a two-car garage. All right. Wipe my feet off. Ooh, wow. All right, so let's go to the front door. Find the front door. Ooh. I don't know what that is. Okay. All right, here we are back out at the front door. Coming in, this is what you see. I don't see any stains on the ceiling that would indicate any roof issues. So back in the foyer, you have a room over here. I guess that could be used as your dining room since it's close proximity to the kitchen. This would be an office of some sort or play area or whatever you wanted to do with it, flex room. There's no peculiar smells or anything out of the ordinary in here. It doesn't feel damp or, like there's moisture or anything. There is carpet in there, hardwood here, carpet here. Again, no roof issues, but I could be under a room here too, if in the upstairs. So, carpet. Let's go this way. Foyer. Okay, you have a bathroom here. This is a half bath. And there are high ceilings in here too, by the way. These are 9 or 10 foot ceilings. Okay, they don't have soft close. The floors feel sturdy where they would possibly rot out. This room feels like it's probably about maybe 16, 18 feet wide by, say, 20. So they have so there's a shower around here. Pretty large shower. This thing's probably about 4 feet wide by 6 or 7 feet long. No moisture issues. The floor was not soft here either, by the way. Not crazy, Just me personally, not crazy about having only one sink when you've got all this counter space. And you got your toilet here. Okay. This all feels sturdy. You have a closet here. Uh-oh. I don't know where the light is. Anyway. This is another smaller closet. Okay. Back in the bedroom here. Lots of space. Closet here. No leaks. Closet. Pretty large closet. It's under the stairs. Let's go on down back here where we came in the back in the garage door. Again, more storage. I like what they did with the inside of this, the shiplap. Let's back out to the garage. Nice size laundry room. It's probably about 6-7 feet across this way and probably 10 or 12 feet long. Not quite sure what's going on with the flooring in here. There's a spot over there, and then there's one here too. But there's no soft spots. So, definitely want to see if they would correct that. Okay. Right, then you're in the kitchen here. Pretty large eat-in kitchen. It's almost like you have two separate areas for the kitchen. It's pretty nice though. Pantry. That is one massive refrigerator. Each one of those doors is probably about 3 feet wide. 3.5. Farmhouse sink, granite countertops. Again, there's something, the flooring, but this is where I was concerned. There's no soft spots. There's no signs of moisture getting in here. These are gas logs, and I believe these are going to be propane, not natural gas. I can't imagine them having natural gas out this far. But this is your living room. It's probably about a 20 by 20 area. Right off the kitchen. Let's go upstairs. So we're up here. Let's go this way. Oh, okay. So no softness. So this bathroom is shared by 2 bedrooms. Decent sized closet. We're back out in this landing area. We went in that room, circled around, and came out here. And you got a linen closet here. Now that we're upstairs, I don't see any issues of leaks either. I'm back in a room here, another bedroom. Wow, there's a lot of room up here. You got this bonus room here. Feels nice and solid. No moisture issues here. Then you're into another bedroom. There's a gouge in the drywall right there. But so far, everything I'm seeing is all just cosmetic. And there's a closet here. And that's it. We're back out here because we went in that bathroom, circled around, came out here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 that are set up for bedrooms, possible 5 there. Then you've got the master bedroom downstairs. So technically you could squeeze 6 bedrooms out of this. And then you've got 1 bathroom, 2 bathrooms, 3 with the master, and then a half bath. All right, I'll get this to you.